Kalani, stop this. I'm not going to give it. Season of shrimp, Lisa?
Daddy. Yeah, put in the shrimp then now.
Finish now. We take it off the fire now. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. We're on another little river vlog today, guys. It's a nice and peaceful day. It's not a lot of us today, just me and Island Adventure and our daughter today. And today is our daughter's birthday, so we bring her to the river because she loves the river. So go and stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show you her. Alright guys, so here is the birthday girl. Say hi.
Hi.
Birthday girl, she's 4 years old today. Birthday girl, enjoy herself. Kelani. Guys, our fire is up and running. One go and the fire catch. You have Island Adventure over here, so I drink film rum, you know. Can't go river without film rum. I look how early the morning be. Guys, the river nice and clear. You can see the water right down to the bottom. Yes, sweetie, I'm looking. So you can put out the wrong cup. Why? Huh? I'm so dropping it. Then I help you drink it. Help you drink it. There's the answer go drink out your rum. The birthday girl said she a wash plate, you know. And at one plate she a watch it, I don't know where she. Oh, the smoke up by my eye. Yeah, I will let me wash one plate for. Probably some white rice. These shrimp are not the cooked one. These one are in the shell one. See, they're nice and big. Sorry guys, this is another part of the river. Hello, my show, baby. Now smile for mommy. Look at my little birthday girl.
Just a while ago, I showed you on WhatsApp.
So this is our shrimp that we're going to be using today.
And one thing me can tell you, as a man where you know your problem about me,
we're gonna get our shrimp washed. We already cleaned them up already, so we're gonna get them washed right now.
Alright, can shot at the river. We can do water, we can do out the river.
Yes, we're getting our shrimp washed in the river.
Yeah, the river so clean and out the river. So with the river's clean.
Yeah, the water is so clean.
And Daddy and Adrian gone home, so he dirty. We at the channel and Mommy's home. Okay, you wanna see?
Alright. So then, so today is your birthday and Mommy going to cook for you and buy you cake.
Alright. Mommy said buy my cake for tomorrow. Mommy, you buy my cake tomorrow?
Yes, we're gonna buy the baby cake later.
Alright, guys.
Alright, we already finished washing off our shrimp now, so we're gonna get them seasoned up and then we're going to. Alright, I also need to prepare the crab as well. The crab they already cook, so when we half cook the crab them already, so it's not going to take a long while to cook. And you know shrimp don't take long to cook, guys, so just go and stay tuned. Checking, guys, again. So this is our crab. We already have this crab clean. I put it in the fridge. So here it is, guys, the crab. that we catch in our previous video. We already parboil them already, so we're gonna get them seasoned and add our curry. We're gonna get them washed off first, guys, because they were in the freezer. So go and stay tuned.
Mommy.
Yes, sweetie. Kalani, stop. You want me to slap you?
You look so funny. You bleed us. That's your mommy.
Kalani, stop this. I'm not going to give you any more water.
Mommy, I never wake you up again. Mommy. Mommy.
Yeah?
I never wake you up again.
I heard you.
Alright.
This don't have any meat. Who took out the meat out of this one? Kalani, stop.
Sorry.
You silly rabbit.
I'm another rabbit. I don't want my mommy.
And we're finished. Gonna get our seafood seasoned and put on our pot on the pot.
I'm sorry, I never wake you up again.
What are you doing?
I mean, what am I doing? Cayenne pepper, that, you know?
Should I put this one in there? Well, this busting?
No, come, baby, come down. Put in there.
That one burst.
Look at cayenne.
Okay. Thaw it and I get soft. How come I need nothing more than this?
Check out the crab. Shrimp. Hey, the shrimp, them look good. Hey, you know, say if you look my shrimp are some ugly sitting in there.
Yeah.
Go the eye just push out. The eye just push out at the end. They're ugly. They're ugly, man.
There's so many small fish in there. Look.
Let's see them, man. Hey, look how the shrimp them ugly.
How much garlic you want?
Can I use about 4 peg? Come over here, baby. Come.
Okay.
4 peg of garlic. Alright. Then you have some season over there. Check them out.
Give me one more Maggie. One more Maggie.
Hey, Maggie, now go give me no endorsement, you know, because guess what? I don't really use for them season. Soup, me use Maggie for make.
I love for me different types.
Oh, Maggie, you don't really know season like that to me. See, crab them here, so. If you rest alive, they not go endorsement. Because I'm not going to tell lie. Maggie go in a soup.
This is crazy, you know? 1 onion for $100.
A bush shop there, that's why.
Well, me not say
Then I told now you get all 1 pound for $200.
Yeah. But I get a shop.
Come, baby, come down here.
I want the quick and easy way out.
Come down here, I mash up the crown. Come.
You mash it?
So mash it up. Come.
Why look like this?
Remember, you know,
Are
if...
you New York?
No, man.
So why pink?
Hybrid. Well, no. So you're going to school. Next
Very
month,
soon.
next 2 months. You'll be at school.
No trouble.
Oh. What's that mad? Yeah, mad.
You say if you say trouble, I more trouble.
So you have to give credit to teachers and caregivers. Because a lot of people go to school to destroy the teacher.
Daddy, I love this crabs.
Want to eat the crab?
Yeah, I want to eat them.
That's what you say when I give you don't eat it.
Dad, what's this?
Yeah, see Mr. Hebert cheer there, you know. Hey, Mr. Hebert saying see it in the video, them, you know.
Hey, that's
Mr. Hebert. And Miss Hebert, big up on yourself.
I want my juice.
Hmm?
I want my
The
juice.
juice in your backpack.
I want my orange one.
The orange one is
Alright,
not
may I
here.
get the juice, give me a
mommy.
second.
Your juice is in your backpack.
This is my
Listen, come. Come over here.
You see? But what?
Stay right here. Don't go down there.
You there? Stay one place and wait. I soon make you go back down there. I said wait.
You're going to stay right here.
Yeah. Because they go stay in it. You don't want much season. I shrimp this.
Daddy,
I not really that. Remember, say, all of them are going to the same. See, black ants flying.
Go down.
Drop out.
We need to go down. We need to go down.
This is almost total. No, it's not.
No. Just me and you.
Okay,
RJ,
I'm not going more because she's in the pants already.
Well, let's still have to put more in the pot still based on how it tastes.
Okay, so no put no more on it then.
No.
Pot ready?
No.
Alright, let's go.
You want dirty?
I never put it in. I'm gonna go wash it.
Watch it. Drop in the crab then now. Put the curry powder on the crab already. The shrimp will come after.
Take your time.
Alright, so the shrimp will come after.
Jesus Christ, I can't pick me.
Alright, so you put in the shrimp then now. Oh, well, as a matter of fact, the crab them they cook already. Because we cook them crab here more than a month now, not About a month and add. So we have to put them in the fridge, so they're not spoil.
Here.
You put one pepper in a pot and you fry the pepper.
Alright, take out back piece.
How that going to work?
Take out back piece.
The rules, so once you go in a curry, you can't come back out again. You get knocked.
Take it out of the pot.
Get knocked.
If you make can't eat it, you see?
No butter you put in there.
What I never.
I know that, you know, more have you know mistake if you want shrimp.
Oh God, you're very wicked.
No, put no water on it still.
A little bit. Because it means that the crab they cook already and the shrimp not take long to cook.
Okay, okay, you put no water on it, make it stay there and say, boil on to gravy.
So one
shrimp will overcook.
Mm-hmm.
Crab, no problem, no crab, no sure. It is shrimp now?
Yeah.
Shrimp will sour out.
Guys, our rice pot is on the fire. Rice already cooked. Well, so our rice pot is on the fire. Our rice already washed. All our seasoning, our butter and everything is inside our rice pot. So go and stay tuned. Fire nice under the pot. Alright guys, so this is our crab, our curry crab and crayfish. It's finished now. We take it off the fire now. It's looking so yummy. Man, today is a hot day. Oh my God, look how my sweating. The time is so hot, guys. Whew. And the fire make it even worse. Now guys, we have the rice and the fire cooking now, so we are gonna relax and you chop it off already, but completely gone.
Chop it off, man, before we go this a while ago. Can you drop me? See, drop me a second.
It's flexible, not the stick there. Somebody that try chop it, but then I chop. And he swing pan and it still not break. I remember when that swing pan. I think it's so easy to break, as simple as you see it. So. Alright, woman up.
Right, so like you're a steam out. Then you should draw a live fire.
Yeah, because it's a bubble up.
Go on, lady drop up on the top a while ago. Pretty cool. Yeah.
That you say. You eat, you know.
a fee, you know. You want more?
Oh, what am I? One drop on me. You really make me a call a puppy. I don't name puppy. Crab with shrimp. Looking so delicious. Cheers, guys. Oh, and this is my mother puddle baby. Now the water from morning. Mother puddle birthday baby. She said she a wash. I don't know what she a wash still, but guys.
Mommy, I wash my clothes.
Come on. Why wash your head? And bake. Can you wait till the water extremely cold and now you complain?
Yeah, but they must I don't know your man.
You will your man?
No.
Hey, but that's let me tell you for a man if you go in there. No? Hello.
You're not going to water here, cool. No, not going to. I cool is a comfort. Yeah, man, no pressure on yourself. Man, just go and go.
Let the people that go and enjoy themselves, but don't go into the water.
Well, that's all, man.
I tell the people them for not going into the water. Come on, dip.
Me.
Your body already wet already, so what is the fuss?
You know who man?
You know who man, but you're already wet.
No, sir, no business. I'm here to wrap up my arm and my crutch and me good.
Ricky, me have video here?
No business. I mean, just my arm and my crutch, my business both. You know, I see me after me come out here. That's it. Flatness this way. Never sign up with this way.
Ricky, beard. Come, soap up the rag and beard.
I don't rag this I'm
It doesn't matter, rag, beard.
sign up with this way,
You see, if a man tell if you go into the water, you don't want to go. So now it's cool.
I sign up with this way. I this and I just torture. I'm going to water after the time.
Ricky, beard, no man. Come, dip on that water and wash off your body now. Huh?
That's my first water for myself like this.
So how your head all wash out?
Wash out my arm and my crutch and me good.
So what about your head?
I'm not business with it.
You know, busy with your head. You soap your head, so I want to save a scene, so you go home with this head soap in your head.
All who love sea river adventure, them, if you put my head in this water, I don't know see go under the feet next 2 months.
Nasty, you hear?
Nastiness I go.
Nastiness and wagonness.
Nastiness. Hold the rifle here for me.
Me not hold no rifle
This
for you,
rifle
boy.
I shoot people.
Hold on. We are planning to go home now. People still come at the river, east, west, and south. But it seems like this is the time that most people tend to come to the river, down in the evening. I know, my belly full, but bake a bed and head home. So guys, if you reached this far in the video, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. And
I don't want to blow it right out. Blow it.
good job.